Hello awesome people, my name is Koi Wangoi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna create this awesome popping makeup look, step-by-step tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment below, support your girl, and let's get straight to the video. Welcome. Also, right now we're gonna set our eyebrows using a setting powder and a brush. Secondly, we're going to use a brown eye pencil to draw or structure our eyebrows.
On the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanted to do that.
While drawing your eyebrows, do them according to the structure of your face or how your eyebrows look like.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself
Make sure you line them correctly. So when you're done, you start filling in your eyebrows according to the shade that you want. So you use the same eye pencil first. Then you use your brow brush to blend in your eyebrows. Actually, I've done my eyebrows from the middle, not from the middle, but slightly
I will run away. I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand it. All alone.
As for me, I love dark brows. That's why I use a black eye pencil after the brown eye pencil. But it's not a must. If you don't like it, don't use it.
And I want something more. Take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance. My last dance. I don't wanna.
When you're done, you take your brow brush and continue blending it again to look even. The next step, you take a concealer to clean your brows. So you do it evenly and neatly. So the remaining concealer on your face, you blend it in using the same brush. Then you take a setting powder and set in the concealer on your eyelid. After you set the concealer, you take the shade of the eyeshadow that you want to use as the base. Then you blend it in using a circular motion. You use a fluffy brush. Then you go in with the purple shade, you blend it nicely. So I use the kajal since I never had the dark eyeshadow shade, but if you have it, you can use it, or you can even use the black eye pencil. So you blend it in well. So I went in again with the same eyeshadow shade on top of the black kajal to make it look nice.
I used again the concealer as the base of the next eyeshadow shade to make it look like, to make it pop out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Got up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in space. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Then I went in with the eyeliner.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Then I went in with the black mascara. Then I went off camera and did the other eye.
I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
When you're done, you go in with the moisturizer. As for me, I use Vaseline as the moisturizer.
I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself.
The next step, we go in with the primer. Mine is a mattifying primer from Maybelline. Then the next step, we go in with the foundation. Mine is Fit Me Foundation, shade number 356. We use less product in the face so as to avoid the foundation from being cakey. Applying a foundation, you then apply a concealer and let it sit for a while. So the foundation on your forehead, you blend it going backwards, and also the side of your cheeks, blend it going backwards. Then you set in your foundation using a setting powder. You blow off excess powder from your blending sponge. This helps the makeup stay for a longer period during the day. Then you go in with the fixing spray. Mine is from Maybelline. After that, you go in with the highlighter. Highlight your nose and your cheeks. Then I used a concealer as the base of my lip gloss.